So friends, now I am showing you that how to save this window in my event memory. So for that I have to go event. In this switcher you can set up to save up to 100 events. There are 0 to 9 pages, means 10 pages, and in each page you can save 10 memory. So 10 into 10, 100 overall memory event you can save in this switcher. And how to save? Suppose go to the event. The first look at the monitor. Look into the monitor. There are two window we have already made. We want to save single window, means key 1 only. I want to save key 1 only. So go to the event. First press event. After pressing the event page, you can see the display is here. Page. First is page. In which page we want to save? Page number 0 to 9 you can change. I want to save it page number 2. Okay. Then there are store button. Press store button. Then come to the display again. Data should be on. Correct. So we are in page number 2 and we want to save it memory number, suppose 20. Event data is writing. So 20 is our event memory. Suppose key 1 is now off, key 1 off. I want to recall that single window. What have I to do? We have to go event and page number already 2, current page, that's why it's already showing page number 2, and page 0, memory number 0, and then just beside button recall. You can see the single window is already in your monitor. Now you can take in your PGM also. Now we want to save two window in another event as another event. What have I to do? So again have to on in next transition key 1 key 2 altogether save will another event as another event. Same process, go to the event, page number 2, then I have to press store button. Data should be on. This one already saved in page memory number 0. So now I am saying saving it to the number 1 memory. Event data is writing. So 2 window is already saved. Now I want to recall a single window. What have I to do? Suppose I am in this position. I have to go event, page number 2, 0, recall. Single window already came, and I want to recall the 2 window, the same. 2 window is saved in 1, page number 2, and memory block is 1. Press 1 and then recall. 2 window is already came. So in this way you can save your window layout up to 100.